Another tool that I highly recommend using is called Zotero. Is anybody here using this? Few people. I highly recommend this one. This has become my go-to where I save everything. Because trying to get something back to something that I might have seen one week and try to find it again another week is often challenging. My memory is going as I'm getting older. So Zotero allows me to save any web page, any website, any really file type. When I press one little button on my browser, for example, this little button up here, hello, it will actually save a copy of the page permanently, make a snapshot of the page to Zotero. It will work, as I said, I use it primarily for web pages and PDFs. And now my entire collection, let's see here, my entire collection of what I've saved is available in one specific place. And everything that I save is keyword searchable. You can also go through it if it determines, if it can figure out what the metadata is for the page, it will add it automatically. If not, you can go in there, of course, and edit it, add your own tags to it. And now everything that I've saved, I've created my own personal database of documents and web pages and the like that are important to me. You can organize things into folders. You can even set up pre-built searches. So anytime something mentions the word satellite, whether it be in a PDF, whether it be in the title, wherever, I now have all of those documents in one folder. Zotero comes from George Mason University that's not that far from here in Fairfax, Virginia. It's constantly updated with new features and making the core software better. Highly recommend it. And again, the cost is zero.